Hello chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. Today video I am going to show you on depend wraps. I am going to give you 3 different wraps in on depends, and in the end of my video I am going to show you a checkmate puzzles for you. That puzzle's answer, you know that puzzle's answer, please share your answer below the comment section. Okay, this is on depend wraps. We can go to the wrap number 1 in on depends. Okay, hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is wrap number 1 in on depends. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then b6 on depends. Then c4. This is called on depends. Bishop b7. Now this bishop attack the pawn. Okay, this bishop attack the pawn. That's why this knight go to there. This knight go to c3. Now defend the pawn by the knight and knight f6. In 7 moves, white resign. You can see why white resign in 7 moves only. How to black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. The fourth move of e5. He pushed the pawn to e5. Then knight go to e4. In this case, queen come to f3. Then knight goes c3. This is the very good chess. Depends. Okay. On depends is a very good chess. Okay. Then 6th move of queen cross b7. Now knight to move knight c6. Then queen come to a6. That's it. In 1 move, white resign. Knight b4. In black the check with this one, wrap the queen. Because you can see now, if this queen need to not black, if cannot black like this, there is a checkmate. Okay, we will see if move like this, there is a beautiful checkmate. Okay, that's why this game white resign. Okay, go back now. If come here, then queen move like this, then wrap the queen. That's it. That's why white resign this match. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 2 in on depends. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is wrap number 2. Why white resign in 7 moves only? How to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. b6 on depends. Then bishop go to c4. Okay, we will see how to counter this match. Black bishop go to b7. Now attack the pawn by the bishop. Then queen come to f3. Now the queen and bishop attack this queen attack this pawn. Also this bishop attack this pawn. In the same time, this bishop attack this pawn. We will see how to counter this match. Black push the pawn to e6. Yeah, now black the checkmate with pawn. Then d4, he push the pawn to d4. Then knight come to c6. Okay. Then d5, he push the pawn to d5. In this case, knight go to d4. Okay. Now attack the queen by the knight. In this case, queen go to c3. Then beautiful move make black bishop go to b4. Okay. Now the queen need to cut this bishop. Otherwise, queen lose. That's why queen take the bishop. That's it. Now poke the queen and king. We will see. Knight goes c2 and check. Then king it moves. Then wrap the queen. That's it. That's why white resign in 7 moves only. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 3. Hello chess friends and chess lovers. This is wrap number 3. Why black resign in 6 moves only? How to white won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. b6 on depends. Then bishop go to c4 on depends. Bishop b7. Okay. Now attack the pawn by the bishop. Then knight go to f3. Bishop cross e4. Now attack the knight by the bishop. Then white knight go to g5. In this match, black resign in some moves right now. Bishop go to g6, then he push the pawn to h4, then he push the pawn to f6, then h5. That's it. Now while black resign because f cross g5, then h cross g6. In this case, black the checkmate with this pawn, then queen go to there. That's it. In the queen is attack this rook, also attack in the same time this the checkmate. That's why black resign. If black the check with queen, then wrap the rook. That's why black resigned this match. Okay, we can go to the checkmate puzzles time. We can go to the checkmate puzzles. Okay. Hello everyone, this is checkmate puzzles time. First move is white 10. How to checkmate in 4 moves only white. Okay, I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer. Okay, you need to find the right answer before the 15 seconds. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Let's go to the timer. Okay, the timer is running right now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, this is checkmate puzzles time. First move is white 10. How to checkmate in 4 moves. I am going to give you the right answer now. Okay, king go to c5, then black king go to hit there in a6, then king c6, then king a8, then king c7. That's it. In 1 move, checkmate easily. King go to a7, then rook a1 and checkmate. That's it. This is checkmate puzzles answer. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.